Hello, it's Mrs. Carl with Sight and Sound Reading. Thanks for being here with me again today. Do you remember what we did the last time we were together? It was the girl and the rabbit and the cat looking in a window. And what were they looking at? Yes, the little dogs. And can we go to that story and just review it for just a couple minutes together? Do you remember who talked first in the story? Who was the first person to talk? Good, it was girl. And do you remember what that new word was here? Girl. And what was this new word? Mother. Wonderful. Can you read to me what girl said? The girl said, "We can see Mother Dog and the 4 little dogs." And then who talked? Good. Then it was Rabbit's turn. And what does Rabbit say? Let's read this together. Rabbit said, "Mother Dog can not play. Can we play? 1 dog for girl, 1 dog for cat, 1 dog for Mother Dog, and 1 dog for me." Wonderful reading. I can tell that you're practicing and I'm so proud of you. Let's read this again. The girl said, "We can see Mother Dog and the 4 little dogs." Rabbit said, "Mother Dog can not play. Can we play? 1 dog for girl, 1 dog for cat, 1 dog for Mother Dog, and 1 dog for me." Terrific reading. That was terrific. Now, I know that I say the same thing over and over, but it's the truth. It's practice, practice, practice. And then when you're ready, then you remember you can print it out and then you circle the words that you know. Don't forget to do that because that's an important part of really getting to be a strong, strong reader. And now we are ready to go to day 31 and see the new words that we're going to have. And oh my goodness, look at this. It's the same family. We're in the house again. It looks like maybe we're in the kitchen. Oh, wow. Yes, we are. Look at the mother here with her little kittens. Listen to Mrs. Carl. With her little dogs, right? With her little dogs. And look at them there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And she looks like she's playing with them. The mother dog is playing with her little puppies. Now, here, it looks like we have a mother, a real mother. Here's the mother of this girl. The mother of the girl is here, and what is she doing? It looks like she is feeding, putting out some food for the dogs. Have you ever fed any animals or any pets? Do you help at home with feeding animals and pets? It's fun. It's a big responsibility when you are responsible for feeding the food for the animals because they can't do it themselves. And when you're big enough and someone asks you to help them get the food for the animal, a dog or cat or whatever the animal is, it's very important to always remember to do it. And here is what the mother is. They're getting ready to give the dogs some food. Let's read what we're going to see what the story's going to be about. First, I know that there's going to be someone talking because here are some quotation marks. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to find out where the quotation marks end. So they end right here. So all of this we have to find out who is going to talk. And I think it's going to be right here because here's the word said. So who is going to talk? Right, mother. And I think it doesn't say mother dog. So it must be mother. This must be mother. And so let's read what mother says. But before we read, what do we need? We have to learn the new words. And you have to help me learn them. Here we go. This is going to be the first word. And this word you are going to read a lot. The word is Y-O-U. You. You. It is the word you. You are here to practice reading. You are my friend. You. Y-O-U. You. That's what that word is. You. As we look around here in our story, this is you with an uppercase or a capital letter, an uppercase or a big letter, uppercase. There's you. Do we see the word you anywhere else up here? Y-O-U. You. And the Y says y, y, y. You. Here it is right here. Right here is Y-O-U. You. Let's see if we see it anywhere else. Do we see the word you anywhere else? Oh, look at this. Y-O-U. You. And it's with a lowercase y. A lowercase y. It doesn't look exactly the same because the uppercase is the Y and it stays above the same, it stays on the same line as all the other letters. But the Y on the lowercase has a tail that comes a little bit below the line. But that is the word you. Y-O-U. You. The Y says y, y, y. You. Right, now that's the one new word. The next new word is, and I'm going to read until we get there and then we'll figure it out. Mother said, you can come and help me. Help me. This is what mother says. You can come and help me. So help, starting with an H. H-E-L-P. Help is our second new word today. Help. Help. Do you like to help your mother or your father or your grandma? Or do you like to help your teacher? It is fun to help people. It makes you feel good when you know you can help someone. That is the word help. And let's see if we can find the word help in the story anywhere else. Here is help. Call it out if you see it now. Call it out. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. But let's just read what mother says first. Mother said, You can come and help me. You can help the dogs. And there's an S at the end of the word dogs for dogs. One is for mother dog, and one is for the 4 little dogs. And then that was the end of the mother's quote. That's the end of her talking. So now who is going to talk? Yes, the girl. The girl said. So we know that the girl is the one that's going to talk. Can we read what the girl said? The girl said, I can help you. We can help mother dog. Great. All right, that was good reading. Now, as we look at this, we had the word for up here, the number word for, and then we had the other word that's for, like we went for a walk. We had both of those fours up here. Can you show me the word for that is not the number word for? I don't want the number word for. I want the other kind of a for. Can you show it to me? Good. Here's one. Any more? Here's right here. Good. Right. Those words are the word for, but they're not the number word for. Are we ready to read this with good expression? Help me read it. Mother said, you can come and help me. You can help the dogs. One is for mother dog, and one is for the 4 little dogs. The girl said, I can help you. We can help mother dog. One last time, let's read this together. Mother said, you can come and help me. You can help the dogs. One is for mother dog, and one is for the 4 little dogs. The girl said, I can help you. We can help mother dog. Great reading. Wonderful. And this is practice. You're the one that you're going to practice now. And we'll come back and we will read this together.